This is the video of the selfie sticks I've brought with me on holiday. I'm gonna go from the top and work down. The first one is a 3-meter selfie stick. It goes, I think it goes to 10 foot. This selfie stick, it is really long. I will not extend it. I'll try and extend it in the corridor to show you how long this selfie stick is. But that's the top one, as I said, is 3 meters. The next one down is roughly 1.5 meters, and that's the Insta selfie stick. Both of them can take an Insta 360 camera on them. And the next one down is my Monopod, which I've also done in some videos about it. And now I bought this mini selfie stick because in case these selfie sticks are not allowed in certain places where we go, the mono one, because it's such a small selfie stick, I can get away with it, and it's less likely to be noticed by people. When I walk with this one, the 3-meter selfie stick, I don't particularly notice anybody, but my wife notices people really do stop and stare at this selfie stick, and some people do make a comment about it. So if you want to be seen, take that selfie stick, the 3-meter one. But as I says, you get some great shots from that, and I'll leave them in the video here. The last one is the pistol grip. Now I bought the pistol grip because you have good control over that, and it's very good for GoPros. So if you got a GoPro and you want it at chest height, your shots, and a nice steady shot with them, go with the selfie stick. Go with the pistol grip. And it's very good for. I've done some scenes in the swimming and the baths here, in the thermal baths in Budapest with this pistol grip, and it's very good. It's a very good way of holding your camera, other than using a selfie stick, or the Monopod. It's good for placing the GoPro on this. Not so good with the 360 camera on this, because it shows up on the 360 camera. But on the Monopod, the Insta, and the 3-meter, this is totally, even at full length, it is totally invisible. I prefer this selfie stick, the 3-meter one, than the one that Insta sells, the extra 3-meter add-on onto this, and also the Tennyson one, because I bought them and you have to have them fully out. There's no half adjustment with them, while this selfie stick, even though it's 10 foot long, 3 meters, you can adjust it down. So if you don't want 3 meters and you want 2 meters, it can hold its position at 2 meters and less than that. So it's more of a holding its position, while the Tennyson and the Selfie and the Insta 360 extendable stick, they can't. They have to be fully extended. You don't get no half measures with them. So as I said, these are really good. As I said, the pistol grip, very good. I've done a video on this. It's very good for holding the GoPro and holding your Osmo Pocket on a special holder. It's very good. The Monopod, as I said again, good in areas where you don't want to be. It's more inconspicuous because it's a much thinner selfie stick than these. The Insta, very good, especially on a tripod legs, which I've bought to take shots. Very good. And as I said, the last one here, if you want to get some really high up shots and use some unique shots, the 3-meter 10-foot pole is quite good. Now here's the selfie sticks fully extended. There's the Monopod on your left, the Insta selfie pole in the middle, and the 10-foot pole on the right.
and that goes to show, I'm going to step way back, that goes to show the length of the 10-foot pole. And as it fully extends out to that, and it is totally invisible when you put the Insta360 one camera on. On all 3 poles it's invisible. And there's the shot. It may look a bit bent, but trust me, that pole is really straight and it does not show on your 360 videos and photographs. So these are the poles and the grip which I take when I go on holiday.